Well, welcome back, my fine feathered friends. Today we're going to cover off on the math library and the random class. This is section 10 and we're going for it. So what is the Dart Math Library? The Dart Math Library is a built-in Dart library that provides mathematical constants and functions, plus a random number generator. To make use of this library, we must first import it, as I have here, import space, and in quotes, Dart, math, and always end your statements with a semicolon. So here's an example of what we can do with functions and constants from this math library. So max, the max function, will take two numbers and find the one that's larger than the other. Min will do just the opposite. It will take two numbers and will find the minimum, or the one that's less than the other. Power, or POW, determines 2 to the power of 4. So first number to the power of the second number. Square root, we take a number and we find its square root. Exponent, this converts x, our number, to a double and then returns the natural exponent, e to the power of x. And finally, we can use the pi constant and we can multiply, in this example, 4 times pi, and it gives us 12.5663, etc. And here we talk about the random class. Most programming languages have some kind of a random number generator. It's a generator of random bool, int, or double values. The default implementation supplies a stream of pseudo-random bits that are not suitable for cryptographic purposes. If you need that, you can use random.secure. So here we have some code, and I executed the code 3 different times. So we have void main, and we have our random instance called random. Then we print random.next double. So we are going to be printing a number between 0.0 and 1.0. So 0 to 1. And then we can do random.next int 10. So we're going to print the number between 0 and 9. It doesn't take the upper limit, 10. Then string 1 is equal to our random instance. Next int set to 100, and then toString. So here we're returning a string representation of our object up through the number 100. And here we print the runtime, and in each and every case we see that it's of type string. Then we actually print string 1. That's going to print the corresponding number. So if you look over here, you'll see the first time it printed it was the number 1, the second time it was 49, the third time it was 58. And finally, and this is one of the most useful examples of using the random class. So here we have a list of 5 elements, list 1. So we have a variable called random words. So we take the list, random.nextInt for the length of the list, and then we print that out. So what that does is every time you execute the code, it will randomly select one of the strings from this list. So the first time we run, it's coding. The next time we run, it's lovely. The third time we run, it's free. You get the idea. My fine friends, thank you for making it all the way to the end. I hope you found this valuable. If you did, do a couple of things. Subscribe to the page, give me a like, leave a comment, and share this with somebody who might need it. We're trying to start a revolution here.